Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and once you see it you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called the brightness, and once you find it, select it. And if you want to change the brightness manually to your liking, you need to disable the auto brightness by tapping on the switch. And then you can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. You can also adjust the brightness by opening the quick panel, finding the brightness icon, the one that looks like the sun, tapping on it. It will bring you to this menu, and you can then adjust the screen brightness. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.